During this edition of the Mixology series from Fedway Associates, we're going to go through how to actually put together a cocktail using the cocktail kits that a lot of bars and restaurants are currently selling. All right, so today we're going to be making a Paloma. So what we have on our kit today is actually Casamigos Blanco Tequila, a little bit of Fever Tree Club soda, some ruby red grapefruit juice, some simple syrup, and some fresh lime. Here we go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of our Casamigos Blanco Tequila. I'm going to add in 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, 2 ounces of grapefruit juice, we're going to top our glass off with ice, and last but not least, top off with some Fever Tree Club soda. Then give this cocktail a little squeeze of lime. We're going to add a lime garnish, and there you have the Casamigos Paloma.